வாழ்த்துக்கள். அடுத்ததாக நம்ம சூப்பர் சீனியர் முத்துலட்சுமி உரையாற்றுவார்.
Today I speak about related to Independence Day. Respected correspondent, principal, and dear my friends, as well as fellow teachers and dear my students, beloved parents. We are very happy, warm good morning to everyone. Today we have gathered about related to celebrate to 80th Independence Day of Great Indian. Now, why we are celebrate this Independence Day? Let us remember some and lot of freedom fighters are sacrificed and their lives our freedom. Their courage as well as unity, patriotism, contribution to inspire us. Why independence is not only for freedom from freedom rule and foreign rule. I will bring about correspondent to respected everyone, responsible citizen, and contribution to progress in our country. Dear students, you are a future of the India. You make dream big as well as work hard and to be honest and everyone respect and give progress. Next, let us promise this day I will do our best and make our country stronger, kinder, and believer and prosperous. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Thank you and wishing everyone to happy Independence Day. Thank you, one and all.